This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see me analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. And then it gives a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, JP Morgan Chase and Citi and a lot of banks were promoting the fact that there was going to be a rate cut in July because the economy was doing so great, because the banks were doing so well, and now they are backtracking, okay? And I said this before, there was no way the Feds could actually have a rate cut, being that, in my opinion, inflation is out of control. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock, any bank stock, any other stock. I'm just telling you that they were arguing that a tax cut was imminent in July, and now they're backtracking from that argument. They're staying away from that. Now they're claiming that there will be a rate cut in September. Okay? And I personally, my opinion, I feel that to be highly unlikely. To me, this is further evidence that the banks are deeply in trouble, and they were counting on that rate cut to take some pressure off of them. And because there will be no rate cut in July, the banks are hanging on by their fingernails, and they are in deep trouble. And you guys know, with the banks in deep trouble, with the banks hanging on by their fingernails, with the banks having liquidity issues, guess who else will be having liquidity issues? Yes, those RICO conspirators that are naked shorting AMC, GME, and other stocks. They will be having liquidity issues also. So they probably thought that their borrowing fees would be going down in July because of the Fed rate cut. But guess what? There will be no Fed rate cut. The pressure will keep on you guys. And with the CAT system going to be exposing your fraud and malfeasance every single week now, I see the bad actors naked shorting AMC, naked shorting GME, and naked shorting other stocks to rob retail investors, to rob pension funds, and to rob institutions that follow the rules. I see them in deep, deep trouble. Okay? The banks and the naked shorters were counting on that rate cut to take some pressure off of them. And because that rate cut is not coming, they are under extreme pressure to collapse. Well, I hope they collapse. I hope they collapse and AMC and GME runs, and the DOJ and the FBI come in and do some real investigations, and some of these bad actors that have been violating U.S. security laws lose their license to trade. And I'm going to tell you guys something. If 2 or 3 big dogs lose their license to trade, the other bad actors will not stop the malfeasance, but they would definitely slow down on it. They would definitely slow down on it. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the fact that the Feds are not going to give a rate cut in July, that the banks and the naked shorters were counting on, is that going to put additional pressure on them and force them to have to close out their AMC, GME short positions? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.